Maavybooks getting started with customers list. Maavybooks make it really simple to manage details of multiple customers, including their name, phone, email, website, GSTIN, along with service and city, thus making it easy to access and record these details at time of making sales and sales related invoices for different customers. To add or view the customers in customer list, click on Customers button on dashboard. You can also navigate to customers during the sidebar. For adding details of new customer, visit the Customers Create section of Customers. To add new customer, you must have customers count left. Fleet plan normally comes with 25 customers limit. For customers list, in case you need more limit, you can choose to upgrade to paid plan. Customer number is the unique number generated by Maavybooks for every customer added to customer list. It makes the management of customers in customers list easy. You can enter the details like customer name, customer email, customer phone, customer website, GSTIN along with service and city. Filling all the details is not compulsory. You can choose according to your requirements to fill details in customers list. Customers' data is normally printed on the created notes and invoices. After entering the data, you can click on Submit button to save customer details. Editing customer details in customer list. Editing customer details is also very simple in Maavybooks. Just go to List section of customer list and click on Edit. You can see the pre-filled form with all your details. Change the details you want to edit and then click on Submit. You will be shown an alert box with product success message. Deleting a customer from customer list is again simple. Just go to List section under Customer List. Click on Delete button beside the customer details you want to delete. A dialog box appears. Click Yes if you want to delete this customer. The customer will be deleted from your customer list. Although you can delete a customer from customer list, it is advisable to edit the customer details as deleting a customer reduces the customer list limit available to user. Hope this tutorial helped you manage customers in Maavybooks customers. Happy account